Creating a mess can make up some of the best parts of everyday life. With robotic floor care, all it takes is the press of a button to keep up with the daily accumulation of dirt, dust, and stains. Mopping robots tackle stains in wet and damp mode, or dust and hair in dry sweeping mode. Sensors map out the room, enabling them to navigate under and around furniture and clean in hard-to-reach places. When it comes to areas with carpeting and rugs, robotic vacuums can navigate from hard floors to carpeted areas to pick up dirt, debris, and hair under and around your furniture. Machines with tangle-free extractors are great for homes with pets. Wi-Fi-enabled devices can be set remotely so that you can rest assured wherever you go, you can return home to clean floors.